Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So I've got a 12 by 12 inch canvas and a desire to add colors, but I'm going to use my white metallic and my DecoArt 24 karat gold. I'm being kind of random, which is okay. I've got a new black, but I'm going to stick with my Meeden black. This needs to be kind of simple. We don't have a lot of time today. I have a guest. Shana is visiting. Shana is my new part-time studio assistant.
Hello.
I'm going to spread some paint down to the edge. Looks like I have something in there that I might want to get out with my tweezers. Don't worry about it. I know right where they are if I need them. I just want a moist layer. Scrape off my excess black. My OCD moment. And wipe the paint off my spatula, which I actually can use. Could you grab me that paper towel right there? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm trying to train myself not to use my pants. And it's a lot easier than trying to clean the paint off a spatula. Oh look, my cobalt turquoise is standing by. I'm going to use Frozen. I'm going to try and be so much more random than usual.
Very nice color.
Thank you. Yeah, all my colors are nice. They're so easy to be addicted to. This is Whispering Wisteria. It's really hard to be random. I don't know why. This is Ginger Flower, which obviously has something in the tip that needs to come out. I just saw that land in my painting. Yeah, bye-bye.
Oh, good catch.
Yeah, I've gained insight over the years. This is yellow-orange. This is not my usual swipe. This is Orange Crush. And we just mixed up some Miami Magenta this afternoon. And I don't usually mix green in, but I think I'm going to right after I add some of my Periwinkle. Oh, maybe not.
Tweezers.
Maybe. Depends on how big the clod is. Alright, I've got just enough. That makes me want blue. I was going to use some frozen amethyst. Yeah, this is the blue velvet. Whoops. And then I'm going to try for the green and finish with my Tangerine. These are really unusual colors for me. Well, most of them aren't, but this is. I might put a little more Frozen in there. That's the Tangerine. I don't think I have enough yellow. Where's it gonna go? Something's missing. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, Dancing Fuchsia. I didn't put any in. Or if I did it, no, I think I only put Ginger Flower in. I love Dancing Fuchsia. It's my favorite. Okay. There's all kinds of other options. I was going to put more frozen in, but I'm not going to. But
That's
I am.
one pop. That's one looking at.
Yes. I am going to do something I've been doing recently, which is mixing my cobalt turquoise from Atelier and my dancing fuchsia from Colourarte. Get rid of that. Put both. And a copious amount never hurts anything. Dancing fuchsia isn't quite as thick.
Beautiful color.
Alright, a lot of times I need a scrape dish. I think this time I'm tempted by a sponge. And my paper towel.
Not your pants. Paper towel.
I'm working on it. I'm going to use some black this time. And I've just realized that I need to change my residuals. It's not really selling up the way I would expect, but I'm more than capable of going over things again. That's Amsterdam white. Be nice to find some ways to do new shapes, which is always eluding me.
Like swirls.
Like, that's a good idea, you know that?
Swirls, yeah.
I'm going to grab my little acetate tool. Can you put that in my dish right there? Thank you. Some more teal. I almost dropped that. No guarantees that anything's going to come out the way I want it to. This is bugging me in here. This is. I want my paint pants back. How about just some straight up? No, I'm going to do it with black. This is still bugging me in here. That makes me want to add some more paint and fix it.
That's nice.
Yeah, I need weird shapes.
Yeah, I like that one. Shapes.
I love using the Amsterdam white and the dancing fuchsia together because it turns everything pink. There are no rules in my swipes. If something needs to be changed, it gets changed.
Art has no rules, right?
Depends on who you're talking to, really. This is too straight for me. This is just mucky. I don't know. Sure what I'm
That
doing.
lower part right there.
Yeah.
That and some fuchsia or some.
Yeah, something bright.
Yeah.
I think the pink carnation holds up. And I'm loving how the yellow looks in there everywhere. Seems like a strange combination, but it's okay. And I've got playing card. I'm going back to the playing card. I'll get down there in a minute. I'm going to mix it up. Or I think I'm going to mix it up. Trying to be outrageous.
That one looks different. I like that.
Yes, I'm always saying different is good. It's not always good, but it's good when it's good. Alright, I want some of this. Filling that gap. Create some negative space. Scrape off my residuals. Tempted to try some black and white and maybe something else. I only started doing colored cell activator last, I don't know how long it's been. It doesn't seem like nearly long enough. They just don't. Alright, one more stroke. We should be pretty close to being done. And a lot of times I'll pre-prime my canvas in advance so it'll have a nice black background so I don't have to do the edges or anything. And if we see anything we want to fix, we can. And I might put a white batch of cell activator right in there with some dancing fuchsia and see what happens. Contrasts are good. I cannot put dancing fuchsia over black. It won't show no matter what I do. That's kind of fun.
I like those colors.
My usual MO is to add a few spirals, but I'm not sure there are that many places in this that I have. What else do we need to do? That's pretty wild. Kind of fun.
I want that bottom, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of times I can just run my finger right across. You can fix a lot of things. See any place that needs help? I'm going to grab my little tiny silicone brush. Waste not, want not. Now I said I was going to put some white in where. I had a place that I didn't like, but this is turning out, some cells are coming about in there. This is wild. I like it. It's really cool. Good color combination. The cells are excellent. I love the different sizes of everything. But I love this round octopus cell is pretty cool.
And then it's like a tree. You see that little...
There are things that look like they're organic trees and stuff.
Look right there.
Great color combinations. I love the turquoise with the cells. Oh, you know what? I missed a spot. Right there. It's just a naked spot in the canvas. There's another one right there. Barite. So I'm gonna call it good for today. I could zoom in a little. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.